Hello everyone. Just a quick note here. This is the overview reminder for your class. This is the video you'll see right here at the top. You log in and link here. You could ignore the naming of it here. I just put one there so you guys would see it right off the bat. You'll see weeks 8 through 16 new. I'm still only taking it up to the week that I get back on here, but just note on this, guys, the first thing that you're doing here is going over this pre-writing, the video for these each day's coverage down here under the 30th and down here under the 4th. All right, reminder, no office hours until I return on there. All the instructions and reading things are here, and I already gave everybody their articles. So once you're logged in here, go down here and click on that video and follow that for the instructions for this day and the other video here for that day. Anybody who has any questions throughout any of this, message me here. I will still check it periodically. Just anything that's of significant issue, just note that it will need to wait for the following week.